Cost segregation has evolved from a niche tax strategy into one of the most effective ways for U.S. businesses to unlock immediate cash flow. In 2026, small and mid-sized companies are leaning heavily on advanced cost segregation techniques to reveal hidden tax savings, accelerate depreciation, and maximize the financial power of their real estate investments. This guide goes beyond the basics. We're breaking down how tangible assets can be strategically reclassified, how advanced strategies work behind the scenes, and how you can leverage these insights to fuel business growth while staying compliant. The cost segregation cash flow revolution. Today's economic landscape is challenging, and businesses are looking for ways to increase liquidity without adding new debt. Cost segregation creates a direct path to cash by front-loading depreciation deductions. Instead of taking small deductions over nearly 4 decades, businesses can accelerate depreciation and capture significantly larger write-offs in the early years. This immediate cash flow boost can support expansion, payroll, equipment upgrades, marketing, or even debt reduction. For industries like manufacturing, hospitality, healthcare, logistics, and retail, cost segregation remains one of the highest ROI strategies available. Deconstructing tangible assets. The hidden value map. Commercial properties are complex bundles of components, many of which qualify for shorter depreciation lives when properly identified. Advanced cost segregation studies break down building elements in detail, uncovering hidden value that would otherwise go unnoticed. Areas that often hold overlooked depreciation opportunities include land improvements, electrical systems designed for specific business functions, specialty mechanical systems, interior finishes, and certain HVAC and lighting components. When these elements are correctly classified, they become the source of powerful, accelerated deductions. Seeing your property through this hidden value map reveals savings that traditional straight-line depreciation simply doesn't recognize. Advanced strategies for maximum impact. Modern cost segregation goes far beyond identifying shorter life assets. Businesses in 2026 are layering strategies to amplify tax savings and maximize long-term benefits. Partial asset dispositions allow you to write off the remaining value of components removed during renovations. Fine-tuning the distinction between repairs and capital improvements can unlock immediate deductions. Integrating energy efficiency incentives takes savings even further, especially when paired with commercial tax credits. Strategically planning improvements and placed in service dates maximizes front-loaded depreciation, even as bonus depreciation phases down. And businesses that never performed cost segregation in prior years can still recapture missed benefits through a look-back adjustment. These advanced strategies create a powerful multiplier effect for businesses ready to optimize. Avoiding pitfalls and maximizing compliance. With high reward comes the need for careful execution. The IRS requires detailed, engineering-based studies and proper documentation. Incomplete or overly simplified studies can lead to misclassification and increased audit risk. Common issues include poor documentation during renovations, incorrect asset categorization, ignoring state-level tax rules, or failing to align depreciation strategy with long-term property plans. Working with experienced engineers, tax professionals, and CPAs ensures that your cost segregation study not only delivers maximum benefits but also meets IRS expectations with confidence. Unlocking your business growth engine. Cost segregation is more than a tax tool, it's a growth strategy. The cash flow unlocked through accelerated depreciation can become the fuel your business needs to take its next big step. Whether that means expanding locations, purchasing equipment, hiring key team members, or increasing reserves, the financial flexibility is transformative. In 2026, the businesses that thrive are the ones that strategically leverage every available advantage. Advanced cost segregation remains one of the most powerful financial tools for businesses that want to stay ahead, strengthen their operations, and scale with confidence. If this video helped you understand accounting a little better, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more accounting tips and guides. See you in the next video.